In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 2019, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use keyboard Clipboard in Gboard. Begin by launching your keyboard. Then click on Clipboard icon at the top of it and activate it thanks to this switcher at the top right corner. Then go back to your standard keyboard thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Following that, to use Clipboard you need to copy or cut any text and paste it right away by clicking on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on this icon at the top left corner, select Clipboard and click on your text over here. To pin it, use pen icon at the top right corner, click on your sentence and use pin 1. You can unpin it the same way. To delete one of your sentences, click on the pen again, tap on the chosen one or chosen ones and use this pin icon next to the pin one. Last but not least, to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!